All right, Bigger. How are you today? We're live now.
Good, Daddy.
All right. So let's talk about the understanding shapes and solving perimeters. All right. Next page is lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe and differentiate types of quadrilaterals. Identify key properties like sides and angles. I think you already know this. Okay. Find the perimeter of quadrilaterals that are not squares and rectangles. So what is a quadrilateral, Bigger? Can you read?
A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides, four angles, and four vertex,
Vertices.
vertices.
Example include
Squares, rectangles, trapezoids, rhombuses, and parallelograms.
parallelograms. All right, good, good. All right, so those are the examples. So types of quadrilaterals, ayun na. This is what you mentioned earlier. So it says square. Of course, square has four sides. Rectangle, rhombus. Are you familiar with rhombus or not yet?
No.
Not yet. Okay, so we
Yes,
will.
Daddy, yes.
Oh, you go already. So you will be. Okay. And then about the parallelogram. It's parallelogram. Okay, and then trapezoids. Are you familiar with trapezoids?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, good job. All right, so now is we have differentiating quadrilaterals. Number of equal sides, of course, the type of angles, parallel, and parallel sides. Okay, so can you see? Let me check. Oh, it's getting big. All right, here, baby. This one here. I just want to make it bigger. Okay. So a square bigger, you know that square is it has four equal sides and it's four right angles and it's parallel sides too. Do you see that? Understand that?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. And then the rectangle has equal sides are opposite. Okay. It has four right angles and two pairs. The same with square. Rhombus, sometimes it hasn't doesn't have equal sides sometimes, no right angle, and two pairs. Parallelogram is opposite equal sides like the rectangle, but there's no right angle and two pairs of parallel sides. Trapezoid, not always equal sides, sometimes there's equal right angles and there's one pair of parallel sides. So this is the picture here. Here we go. So let's try this. Look at the shape. What is it? What is the one here in the orange, baby?
Trapezoid.
It's a trapezoid. And how about this one here? The blue.
Right?
It's a.
Um,
It can also be called a square or a diamond, right? But it's a square. No, this one here. The wait. Let me. You give me a few seconds. All right, baby. So four right, both of them. This is actually bigger. No, is this a trapezoid? Yeah, this is
hmm?
trapezoid. This is a trapezoid. Okay. One right angle, one pair of parallel sides, four equal sides. So which property does it have? So four right angles. Which one has the four right angles? This one, little Bill. It's the square, right? This is square because it's just that one pair of parallel sides. This is the trapezoid, no? And four equal sides is, of course, the square. All right. What is a perimeter, bigger?
Perimeter is the distance around the shape.
All right. One moment. One moment. We're live. Dali lang kita. One moment, baby. I'll make it private, public na lang. So I can see your video. All right, here we go. We're live now. Mommy, I hope mommy can watch. Okay. The distance around the shape. To find it, add all the side lengths. Example, if a shape has a side of 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 4 centimeter, all you have to do is add them. That's the perimeter, baby. You get it?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So find the perimeter here. I'm gonna solve this one. What if the perimeter, the size of the dimension of the trapezoid is 8, 6, 4, and 6? What is the perimeter? Can you give me an answer? Be,
Yes, Daddy.
you need to solve. Can you see the no?
Yes, I see it, Daddy.
So what is the answer here? Find the perimeter, please. So the perimeter is you add everything. You add the 8, 6, 4, and 6. Do you have your paper there? I want you to I want you to answer. Yeah, please get a piece of paper. Thank you. Ready?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So let's find the perimeter here, baby. So when you find the perimeter, all you have to do is add everything. Later on, we'll answer your exam. So find the perimeter of the trapezoid with a side measurement of 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. So you read a while ago the instruction, the meaning of perimeter, which is perimeter is the distance around the shape. To find it, add all the side lengths. So if those are the side lengths here, all you have to do is add 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. What is the answer? Got it? Madam Brazil, ano mo na? Kaya bra kami homework ya. Oh, baby, they're watching you right now. Say hi to your friends in online. Say hi to Tita Razel. Say hi. Say hi to Tita Razel. Alright, here you go, baby. Find the perimeter now of the trapezoid. 8 plus 6, how much? No, you don't have to. You don't have to write it down. You know the answer. 8 plus 6 is how much?
14.
Oh, 14. Good job. 14 plus 4, how much?
18.
18. 18 plus 6, how much?
24.
24. All right. That's good. Oh, say. All right. So the answer here is 24. Good job. All right. Let's do practice first. A rhombus has side lengths of 7 centimeters each. What is the perimeter? Rhombus. What is a rhombus, baby? How does a rhombus look like?
I forgot, Daddy.
All right. So let me figure. Rhombus is the same as it has also 7. It has 7 length the side. So 7 times 4. All I have to do is just add 7 times 4. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Because rhombus has 4 sides also. So it's 7 plus 7 is 14. And then 14 plus 14, that's 28. The same, 28. Got you? You get me?
Ready.
All right. So what about the parallelogram? The parallelogram has sides of 9, 5, 9, and 5. So find the perimeter. So do you know already, right? 9 plus 5, how much?
14.
Okay. As you can see, Bibi, as you can see, they have the same numbers. Okay, 9 and 5, and then the other side is 9 and 5. So you don't have to add everything. All you have to do is 9 and 5 is 14. And then it's because it's the same 9 and 5, you add 14 and 14. So what is 14 and 14?
28.
28. Good job. All right. So that's the technique. So you won't be able to spend time. You see, they have the same numbers 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So you just add 9 and 5. And then what's the answer? Just times 2 it because it's the same. All right. Good job. Thank you. Here, match shapes with its correct properties. Madam Razel. Okay. If I have 4 equal sides, but not all my angles are right angles. I have 4 equal sides, but not all my angles are right angles. So what is it? I think we already discussed that a while ago. Because I'm not really good with this one. Let me replay the others the side here. So it says here. Ako, it says here I have okay, here it says I have a 4 equal sides, but not all my angles are right angles. 4 equal sides. Ako, hindi, I don't know this. Bigger. All right, right. 4. It says here to me. Dalang biha. It says here I have
Daddy,
4. Huh?
Daddy, I think it's rectangle.
I have 4 equal sides. No, no, no. Rectangle has 2 only. Wait. I have four equal sides, but not all my angles are right angles. You know what? Let me type this on Chat GPT. Okay, let me just type it in Chat GPT. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So not Chat GPT, Google Gemini, because it's easier. Okay, because it's we don't have to spend time a lot here. All right. It says here let me go back to the instruction here. Here it says here I have four equal sides. Oh, I can copy this. Good job. I can copy this one. All right, and let me just ask. The Gemini. All right, the answer is
Daddy,
rhombus. Rhombus.
Daddy, joined the I joined the live in my other iPad.
Oh yeah, you did. Good job. All right, the answer bigger is rhombus. I have four. You have to. Do you have a piece of paper there?
Yes,
So I have
Daddy.
four equal sides, but not all my angles are right angles. It's called a rhombus. It's a rhombus. Right, baby? It's a rhombus.
Yes, Daddy.
You have to take note of that, huh? Okay, the next is I have only four pair of parallel sides. I have only one pair of parallel sides and no requirement for equal sides or right angles. Do you know that? Bigger? You
Hmm?
see you see the second question. You read the second question.
I have only one pair of parallel sides and no requirement for equal sides or right angles.
So what's the answer?
Mm,
Is a trapezoid. Is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. It doesn't require equal sides or right angles, which distinguishes it from other quadrilaterals. Ito bigger, oh. You just have to understand this, that the trapezoid, what makes it different from other quadrilaterals is it doesn't require equal sides or right angles. There's no right angles here. At least there's one or none. Okay?
okay.
Okay. A trapezoid is a broad category, and more specific quadrilaterals like isosceles trapezoids or right trapezoids. I don't want to discuss that later now. Okay. All right. So next question is I have four right angles, the opposite angles that are equal in length, but not all four sides are the same. I have four right angles, the opposite sides that are equal in length, but not all four sides are the same. Of course, it's a rectangle. For
Yes,
sure.
Daddy.
Is it a rectangle?
Yes, Daddy.
Let's see. Let's check. Let's check if it's a rectangle. Of course, it was a rectangle. Next is all of my sides are equal and I also have four right angles. I'm most regular quadrilateral of all. Square.
Rectangle.
No,
Square.
square. Yeah.
I forgot.
And next is my opposite sides are equal and parallel. You read it, Wigger, the last part, be?
My opposite sides are equal and parallel, but none of my angles are right angles and my sides are not all equal.
Mm-hmm. It's a rhomboid. Rhomboid or parallelogram.
Mm,
Okay? So a rhomboid is a parallelogram is a four-sided square with the following properties. It's a four-sided square siya, bigger. Opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. This is defining characteristics of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. None of the angles are right angles. O bigger, it's not a right angle, gali bigger. So even it's a square, it's like a diamond, parang diamond siya, parallelogram. Okay? The sides are not all equal. This is what makes a rhomboid or a parallelogram and not a rhombus. Okay, rhombus tong una, di ba rhombus tong first one? I have four equal sides, but not all of my angles are right angles. Okay. Are you confused or no? You're good?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, let's go. This is the last one. Exit ticket. Which shape has only one pair of parallel sides? Bigger. Which shape has only one parallel side? Bigger. Bigger.
Yes, Daddy.
It's a trapezoid. You're wrong. Trapezoid. Is which shape has only one pair of parallel side? It's a trapezoid. Okay, what is the perimeter of rhombus with 6 centimeters? 6 times 4 bigger. Bigger? What is the perimeter of a rhombus with side of 6 centimeters? Diba? When you add only the 4 sides. Madam Razel, salamat. Okay, so 6 times 4, how much? 6 times 4. Okay. So you will add 6 4 times. So 6 plus 6, how much? 6 plus 6? B?
13.
6? Huh? 12. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And you add another 6. 12 plus 6, how much? 12 plus 6?
17.
No. 12 plus 6. It's all even. I thought you know your multiplication already, right? You did multiplication, no? 6 times 4 na lang para make sure. You don't have paper there. You get your paper, blah. Oh, you write there. Just put it in a small, just write it on the left side so later we can use the whole paper.
Daddy,
Okay.
I will get a pen.
Okay. Wala sa gali, papel gali. Yeah.
Daddy, is it okay
Yes, baby.
if I use this?
The what?
This. Is it okay?
It's up to you. It's up to you what you want to use. You can have a blackboard. We can have a dry erase board. You want to use the dry erase board?
I'll just use the paper, Daddy.
Okay. Okay, you can use the paper. Good job. You can use the paper. Let me just turn off the Facebook because it makes a lot of noise. All right. So here we go. If what is the perimeter of a rhombus with side 6 centimeters? Oh, 6 times 4. How much is 6 times 4? Hmm.
10.
6 times 4.
Ah.
You write it in the paper, blah. 6 times 4. You will be adding 6 4 times. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 6 times 4. How much is it? Oh, mommy is watching na yun. After this, we're gonna be answering the exam because we will finish this one and then we'll proceed to the next topic. All right. So it's just an example. Are you there? 6 times 4, because there is 6 centimeters every side, and then the rhombus has 4 sides, and each side is 6 centimeters.
Wait, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Are you there? Six plus times 4, baby. What are you doing there? You having hard time with math?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. Let me just give you the answer now because we still have to. Okay. Did you get your paper now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you already know multiplication, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 6. You write there 6 times 4. So it means that you will be adding 6 4 times. So you write it in a long process if you want. Do you know the multiple of 6? Did you learn? Do you remember the multiples of 6?
Yes.
Or can you recite 6 12 6 12 20? Okay, remember that? 6 12 18 24. Do you remember that? Or no? You forgot?
Yes.
The multiples of 6 are 6 12 18 24 30. Okay, so every time you add 6 and 6 and 6. Okay, we'll just cut it short. So 6 times the perimeter of the rhombus, which is 6 centimeters times 4, that's 24. Okay? 24. Okay, which side, next na number 3 na tabi. Which shape has opposite sides but has no right angles? has opposite sides but has no right angles. Okay, so I will not make it hard enough for you because we still have a lot of stuff to do. So this is the example, um ano ni siya, the instruction is which shape has opposite sides equal but no right angles. This is the one here. You see that one? They have equal sides, opposite sides are equal, but there's no right angle. So this is what you call, what's that, baby?
Parallelogram.
Hmm?
Parallelogram.
Is it a rhomboid or is it a parallelogram? Is it the same? Parallel. Okay. Okay, it's also a parallelogram. Good job. Parallelogram or a rhomboid. Okay. All right, let's proceed to the next. I think we have to answer na. You have to answer na here. Okay. So we have your homework here, but I don't know how you answer it. But let me share that one. Right. Let me just answer. Let me just find that one. Hmm. I don't know where it is na. Ay, na. Alright, Baker, I'm back. Sorry. I have to reset my phone. I have my laptop. Sorry. Alright, so let me just alright, may moderator ka na, Madam Razel. Okay, here we go. We're back. I just mommy is messaging you, big girl. Hindi, may nag-ano kami. Nag-reset. I reset my phone. My laptop was the... Okay. Here we go, baby. Alright, so we're gonna be answering your... where is it? I have to find it. I have to open your... One moment, huh? I have to open the... You have a exam, which will be... we need to answer this one. Alright, God. It takes time. You don't have ano, bebe? Your iPad bala, your iPad. I think you need your iPad. Your iPad. You click the links. I have a problem because I have to... Hey. Wait. Okay, so this is gonna be your assignment, your it's a math. Wait. I need to share it. Wait, maybe I wait. 4,000. The laptop is very slow. Okay, so we're gonna be answering your I don't know how you can answer this, baby. You want me to... How can you print it? Because you have to answer this. Oh my God, this is so slow. Wait, baby, wait. The laptop is very slow. Sorry. Hey, but the laptop is very slow, so I can't really go straight to your... Okay, I think we can just I can just share this one here. Alright, so let's share this one, baby. No, it's not even showing. Okay, here. Is this the one? This is the one I found in the book. Oh, okay, so you will answer only part
Daddy, I
A.
don't see it.
Okay, here, baby. I don't see it. Hero? Wala na. Is that clear? Is it clear or not?
It's still okay na, Daddy.
Okay na. So you will only answer part A and part C. Part C and D. You will not answer part B. Okay? So that's the instruction there. Okay. But I don't know how you can answer this because you cannot type. No. How can you answer this, baby? You have also a quiz in Filipino. How can you answer? Dahil lang gid bi ha. Dahil lang gid bi. Let me. I don't know how you can answer this. Open, copy. I'll just open this in PowerPoint. Okay. Give me a few seconds, so I'll answer it for you. But you have to. How do you answer it? How do you submit your homework before to your teacher? Huh? How do you answer your ano? How do you submit your homework to your teacher?
Mm.
Wait. Okay, here we go. So I will just show you. We will answer this straight, huh? Because you're, and I will submit. But this is not handwriting. But it's okay. Do you think it's okay to answer it?
Yeah.
But you will be the one to answer it, right? Wait. Okay, here. Let me know. Let me see if I can share it with you. I think it's here. Good job. Here na. Okay. Answer this one here. But not the part B. Okay, so of course we're gonna write your name here. Is this allowed? Is it allowed to do this?
I don't know.
Can you use computer when you answer, or you have to use it with your handwriting?
I don't know when Daddy.
Okay. I will just send it to you and then you will answer it. I don't know, huh? I'll just send it to you as a picture after we're done answering it, okay? Alright, so we'll answer it together. Alright, so what is your grade 9 level? Section?
Grade 4.
What's your section?
St. Peter.
St. Peter. And today's date is the 13th
12.
or 12th. For tomorrow. It's 12. Here we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, identify the quadrilaterals. 5 points. We're gonna answer this, baby. Oh. We have to answer
Okay.
this. Okay? Okay, so look at the description and write the correct name of the quadrilateral. So choose from square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, or trapezoid. Okay? So number 1, can you read the number 1?
All 4 sides are equal and all angles are right angles.
And it's obvious. Is what? Obviously, what is the answer? You have the same equal sides. and everything is right angle. What is the perfect? Is the perfect quadrilateral? What is it? You choose the answer from the top, oh. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram.
Rhombus.
No, bigger. All four sides are equal. And all angles are right angles. Be? You draw bala in the paper, bala. Baby, it's a square. Or J. Maybe. It has the same angle. All four sides are equal and all angles are right angles. What is it? You choose from the options, so? Okay, good. Square. Yeah, because it's hard to, if we don't have to draw, we have to draw it. That's why. Next. Has two pairs of opposite sides parallel and all sides equal, but angles are not 90%. We can answer this straight if you want. Let me just go to your website, huh? Yan lang yun, Biha. Let me just go to your what you call this, to the website of your classroom. I cannot find it here. Oh, you still have a homework and an exam in math and Filipino tomorrow. It's gonna be hard. Okay, let me open your school. You have homeworks. Man, you have a lot of homework, we. Look at this below. I will show you balada. No, I will show you your homework. Wait. I will show you your homework. Oh, these are your homeworks for tomorrow. So you have your English, you have a lot to. To your dashboard. So you have to finish this, oh. Be?
What's study?
You have vocabulary and this is your 2. So vocabulary and your type of quadrilaterals. So this is you have to finish this tomorrow. You have to submit it. It says you have 2 days and 9 hours remaining. So that is the one that we're solving right now. Okay? Okay. So we have to finish this one. Let me go to that side. I have to answer that for you because it's gonna be late. It's already late for me. Okay, so here, but you have to understand that, bigger. You really have to understand what we are talking about. Are you concentrating to what Dad is saying here?
Yeah, I do.
Yes. Okay. Okay, because I need to explain clearly, because if not, we will not be able to answer it correctly. All right, so let's proceed here to where's that PowerPoint here? Okay, here. We're already here. So has 2 pairs. Here, big girl has 2 pairs You read it? Did you read that? The number 2? Miguel, can you read the number 2, please?
Has two pairs of opposite sides in parallel and all sides equal, but angles are not 90,
Degrees. 90 degrees.
90
So what is that?
degrees.
What is that? Do you know what it is? It is a rhombus.
Daddy, I
Bigger?
said rhombus earlier.
Yes, I know. It is a rhombus. So I'll write here rhombus, huh?
Okay.
Rhombus. Okay, next. What is the next question? Only one pair of the opposite. Now you read it, baby. Girl. And the next question. Number 3.
Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel.
What is it?
Parallelogram.
No.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Yes, it's a trapezoid. Okay. So a trapezoid is a four-sided shape. Anyway, pasa ko sa imo, ha? I will let you read this one. You need to really understand this, baby, because this is going to be part of your exam. We cannot just afford not to follow this one, okay? We cannot afford we cannot afford missing this one. So here is the window. Oh my god, I'm lost na, baby. Here though. This is the trapezoid. The properties of a trapezoid. And the question there says only one pair of the opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of the opposite side are parallel. So that is the trapezoid. Did you see that? Bigger? B. B? Where are you? B? You muted. You muted yourself. So the question there is only one side. You muted. You muted yourself. So you took off your the question there is only one side. Sige, Madam Razel, salamat po. Only one pair of the opposite sides are parallel. So the answer there is trapezoid. Only one pair of the opposite sides are parallel. So the answer there is trapezoid. Lobat na?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. Well, let's finish this one na because we have to, Daddy also needs to proceed to the next. Let's finish this one na because we have to, Daddy also needs to proceed. Okay, let me just... The answer here is trapezoid. So let's put the answer here is trapezoid. So let's put the here na bibigyan. Trapezoid. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. So obviously, this is a opposite sides are equal. All angles
Rectangle.
very good. Thank you. See, this is a rectangle. All four sides are equal and looks like a diamond. It means that there is no right angle. What was that again?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Good job. It means that there is no right angle. What was that again? Parallelogram. Okay, let me check it if the answer is correct. Okay, let me check it if the answers are correct. If not, then we have to. Let me. I just want to make sure you have a correct answer. Okay. If the answers are
Okay,
correct,
Daddy.
then we have to. Just want to make sure you have a correct answer. Okay. If the answers.
Daddy, the live is 1 hour, Daddy.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. Is the rhombus the same bigger?
Hmm?
Bigger, is the rhombus the same with parallelogram? Is the rhombus the same bigger? Bigger, is the rhombus the same with parallelogram?
Wait, Daddy.
Yeah, why it is there?
Daddy, my friend is here.
You say hi to 401 Shan.
Hi, Sean.
Why, Daddy?
Yan ma. Ano ka? Online ka
Why?
naman?
Daddy, why?
Hmm? Na?
Duwag hindi yan gina-open, di ba?
Yeah. Galit. Yeah.
What's the problem, Daddy? You're checking the girl?
Di ka answer kami sa exam ma?
Oh, I told her that she make a rest anay for a while her eyes and hands. Early pa nakagina nagagamit kasang
Di may, I have to finish this one. Online kami man, naka-live kami sa buong.
Oo, okay.
Live ni sa YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, man. I have to finish this one. Online kami man, naka-live kami sa buong. Alright. Alright, Vigor.
You change your clothes, ha?
Okay.
In the afternoon, we will
Yeah.
kuhan you, ha?
Yeah.
Is it rhombus? Parallelogram? I don't...
At ko na sa piyak to.
Sige ma, sige ma. Bigger rhombus. I don't know the... Here we go. Sige, sige ma. Be.
Yes, Daddy.
I wanna check this one because I'm not sure with your answer. I wanna check this one because I'm not sure with your answer. But the answer to the number one, the answer to the number one. Wait. The number two bigger. Can you check it there? The number two is has two pairs of opposite sides parallel and all sides equal, but angles are not 90%, 90 degrees. The answer is rhombus also. Okay, and then the next is parallelogram. All sides are equal. Looks like a diamond. Let me check if that's the definition. Are you tired? Let me check if that's the...
It's cold here, Daddy.
Cold?
Yes.
So, Why did you turn on the? You can adjust the AC.
Yes.
You can adjust the AC. Okay, so that's correct. The answer is parallelogram. Okay, so we will not be answering the second part, but we can answer the third part, that because the instructions said don't answer the part B. Okay, find the perimeter. It will be here's very easy, oh. Very easy lang ni. But you need to be good in math, remember? Do you know the okay? Can you get a piece of paper? I need to explain this to you. We're gonna be talking about perimeters again, okay? And you know perimeters are adding the sides only, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So we will be discussing about the perimeters. Okay, so the first there instruction there. Did you see the instruction? Okay, the question here is find the perimeter. Okay, the question here is find the perimeter. Okay, the rectangle. The rectangle. Review. A rectangle has a length of 8 centimeters with a width of 5 centimeters. Okay, so do you know that a rectangle bigger has 4 sides, right?
Yes.
And then let's say the first side is 4 centimeters and the other side is 5 centimeters. So you have to have you have to have 2 of the 8 centimeters and 2 of the 5 centimeters because that's a rectangle. You have to have 2 of the 8 centimeters and 2 of the 5 centimeters. You get it, baby?
Yes.
Get it, baby? So it's like this. It's gonna be like this. The rectangle. So it's like this. So you have it's gonna be like this. The rectangle is like this. Here, 8 centimeters. No. The rectangle is like this. So 8 centimeters. Oh, here, baby. Oh. This is how the rectangle looks like on the question there. Here, baby. Oh. This is how the rectangle looks like on the question there. The question says that it's gonna be 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The question says that here, baby. Mo na sabi, oh. 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This is the instruction, the question there. Wait, because I really don't. This is the instruction, the question. It's hard when you are not because I really don't. It's hard when you are not because I really don't. Okay, be here, Bio. Okay. So the question here is a rectangle has a length of 8 centimeter and a width of 5 centimeter. Okay, be here, Bio. Okay. So the question here is a rectangle. So here, big girl, this is 5 centimeter. The length of this. Okay, be here, Bio. from here, did you see that, to here? That's 8 centimeter, right? And then the
Yes,
other
sir.
from up to down, that is also 5 centimeter, because that's what is here, given here in the instruction. But since it's a rectangle, meaning that this 8 centimeter, the width, the length also of that at the bottom is also the same. So it will be also the same 8 centimeter. And then on the other side will also be the same 5 centimeter. Here we be. Oh. Sorry. Okay, so like this figure, it will look like this. There. So that's the rectangle. Okay? So 5 centimeters up and 5 centimeters down and 5 centimeters on both sides. So in order to get the perimeter, all you have to do is add. You add them. Okay, so you add 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. So like, in order for you to make it easy, okay, so 8 plus 5, how much?
Huh?
8 plus 5? No, this is live. 8 plus 5?
13.
Okay, 13. And the other side is also 8 plus 5. So it means 13 plus 13. How much?
26.
Very good. Alright, very good. So the answer there is 26. Thank you. Alright, so we have to write the answer here, which is 26. Wait. Alright, so all you have to do, BB, is just to add everything. But you have to remember that the rectangle, they have the same sides on opposite sides. So it's 13 plus 13 is 26. Good job. Okay. So where will we write the answer here? $26. Okay, here, 26 centimeters. Okay, next. A square has a side of 6 centimeters. Bigger. If the square has a side of 6 centimeters, what is its perimeter? How many sides are there in the square? Bigger, you listen to me. B,
Hmm?
listen to me, Anay Bala. What is the... How many sides are there in a square?
26.
No. How many sides in a square?
4.
Okay. So if one side is 6 centimeters, what is the perimeter? We already solved that a while ago.
5 and 8.
No, baby.
Ah.
We are already in number 2.
6.
Okay. So if there is one side of the square is 6, let me draw it for you again because I think you're confused again. You listen to the instruction, please. Okay? Okay. So this is the square. That's a square, right? You see the square? Okay. So if one side of the square is 6 centimeters, because it's a square, so what is this? How many centimeters will be there on each side?
Huh?
It's a square, right? So when we say square, it means they have the same length. The same sides, right? Is it correct?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So you have to add the 4, 6. Okay, so 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or you can say 6 times 4, which we already did a while ago. Okay, 6 plus 6, how much?
12.
Okay, and then another 6 plus 6, how much?
18.
Oh, no. 6 plus 6 is how much?
Mm,
12,
12.
right? Okay, so it means there's 2. There's 2 12s. So that's how much? 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12?
Mm,
12 plus 12, baby. Baby.
23.
No, 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12. They're both even numbers. You cannot have an odd number if you add two even numbers. 12 plus 12 is 24. Maybe. What happened? Are you tired?
No, Daddy.
Oh, you answer bala na bala. We have to, it's already 1 o'clock here in my time. Oh. It's already 1 o'clock in Daddy's time. I have to sleep also. We have finished this one. Huh? Okay, remember, bigger to a square. Bigger, this will come out in your exam. You have to remember this. You remember that a square has 4 sides. Like this, like I draw a 4-side square. And the instruction here says, a square has a side length of 6 centimeters. That's why we have, this is like the 6 centimeters. Since it didn't give the other measurement, because it's a square, it means that it is all the same. So each side is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Did you get it?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you know what we mean here when we say sides? Like this one. When we say here, from the left to right, when you measure from left here, you see the cursor? You see the cursor here? It's moving. You see this one, the cross moving here on the left side of the square?
Yes.
Okay, which means from here going to, okay, let me just make a drawing here. It means from here to here. Wait. This is what we mean here, baby. Okay, from here to here, you see the arrow?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, that is 6 centimeters. That is what it means when you say the measurement. From one point here to the other point, that's 6 centimeters. And on the other hand, from here to here, that's also 6 centimeters. Right? Did you get it? And from the other side, this one from here to here, that's also 6 centimeters. And of course, from the other side, it's also the same. Okay?
Daddy,
Yes.
my friend wants you to enable super chat.
You're not monetized yet. You're not monetized. You don't have any, you're not monetized yet. If you're monetized, then you can send super chats. But I'll give you a moderator. Okay, you have your blue moderator now. If there goes you. No, you cannot donate yet because she is not yet monetized. Yeah. If she's monetized, then she can apply for monetization. But she already had like 5,000 subscribers, almost 6,000. But she she's not monetized yet because she had some copyright problems before. But I can apply soon, as soon as we reach her 4,000 double watch hours. All right. So the parallelogram figure here has sides measuring 7. Here, bigger, oh. That's the next question. I want to answer it for you, but you have to answer it by yourself because it's hard if you know you get your exam and you don't know how to answer it. Okay, bebe? Here, though. You have to answer it yourself. Okay, so a parallelogram has sides measuring 4 centimeters and 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Find its perimeter. So it's the same. It has the same 7 centimeters plus 4. How much bigger? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4.
11.
11. Good job. So this is what the parallelogram looks like here. Let me just turn it around. This is what the parallelogram looks like. Okay, sample lang na, sample lang. This is just a sample, okay? So let's say, for example, this is from the left to the right. It says 7 centimeters. Here, bigger. This is how it looks like. It says here from 7 here, like this. You get it? And then the other side here, 7 also. And then the other side is 5 because that's the question there. What was her question, Shan? How do you get the XP? What do you mean? What do you mean XP? Oh, so in order for you to get monetized and join the YouTube monetization, you have to reach 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. So people should watch your video first before you have to reach 4,000 hours, and then you have to have more than 1,000 subscribers. And you also have to make sure you comply with the rules of YouTube, wherein first of all you have to make your own original video, and then kids below 18 or kids teenagers or below 18 minors are not allowed to show in the video without the parents also appearing on the screen, because YouTube will not monetize it. And then you also have to avoid playing music that are copyrighted, which means that it's not your own work. And there's a lot of rules. Okay, bigger, here na. 7 plus 5, how much?
12.
Okay. 7 plus 5 is 12. And then the other one is 7 plus 5 plus 12. It's the same as 12 plus 12. That means the answer is 24. Okay? The same ang yapon. 24 man siya yapon. Okay. Yeah, we have to finish this because we have to proceed to Filipino. Okay, 7 plus... Oh, the 7 plus 4, I mean. Sorry. 11. 7 plus 4, 11. So that's 22. Okay? Sorry. So 7 plus 4, how much? 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4? Okay, 11. So 11 plus 11 is 22. Okay. The trapezoid has sides measuring... Ay, nabigero. You solved this one now. Very easy na ni. The trapezoid has a side measuring 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. All you have to do is just add the 4 of them. Can you add it on a piece of paper, please? We're gonna be on problem solving letter D soon. We're gonna be done. Okay, a rhombus. A trapezoid has a side of 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. It's very easy, baby. Are you answering now?
Study.
Okay. So it's very easy. All you have to do is add 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. What are you? What are you erasing there? How much? Bigger? What are you doing? Where are you erasing a lot? 5 plus 6. How much? 5 plus 6, how much? Five plus 6. You have 5 fingers on your left and you have 5 fingers on your right. There's a 5 plus 6. You have an extra. How many fingers do you have all in all?
5.
On the left and right. How many fingers for both hands?
10.
Okay, you add 1. How much?
11.
Okay, 11. Okay. So 11 plus 4, how much?
15.
Okay, 15 plus 6, how much? Figure 15 plus 6, how much?
21.
21, good job. Alright, last. A rhombus has each side measuring 9 meters. Find its perimeter. So rhombus is parallelogram. It's the same size. Okay, 9 times 4. Ayun. Figure you know the 9 times 4, di ba? How much is 9 times 4? Did somebody teach you about using your fingers when you make multiplication or no?
No,
No, not yet.
not yet.
Okay, here I'll teach you. This is only good for 9. This is only good for 9, baby. You know? Okay, so you hold your hand like this. Okay, bigger. You hold your hand like this. Okay, so for both hands, so you count. This is from 1, 2, 3 until 10, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So what happens here is when you say 9 times 4, because you have 4 sides, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will fold the 4th finger. You will fold. Oh, and how you see that? Or you fold there. So you read from your left side how many fingers are on the left side?
5. 4.
No. On the left side, how many fingers? No, how many fingers are before the fold? Before the fold, how many?
5.
No, before the fold.
Hmm?
Where is your left hand?
Here.
Okay. So you're left how many fingers before the finger that you folded? How many standing before the
5.
folded? No. There's only 3.
Four.
Your left finger, your left hand. You see your left hand?
Yeah, standing.
There's only 3 fingers before the one that you folded. You see that? I will teach you. A good technique for nines, bigger for nines. So this is 1, 2, 3, right? The one folded here is 1, 2, 3, and then you folded the number 4 because that's 9 times 4, and then you will count how many fingers are left on the right side. 6. Do you get it, Bebe? Are you listening to Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Don't stop drawing, Anibla. Stop drawing, Anibla. Hero. If we will do 9 times 4. Okay, 9. This is only good for nines. So you hold your finger like this. And let me change the. Herbala, Anibla. Let me do this first. Let me make it square. Okay, here. So this is your finger. Okay, so 9 times 4, which means that you will count from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers here left standing? 1, 2, 3. And then the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 36. Did you get it?
Yes, Daddy.
So it's 3 and 6. So that's 36. That's only for 9 multiplication. You're tired na. Okay, so 9 times 4 is 36. 36. 9, bigger. Okay, let's do it from the start. 9 times 1. 9, you will fold the 1 here. It's 9. The answer is 9. And then 9 times 2, you will fold the number 2 finger, which is 1 and 8. That's 18. Did you get it?
Yes,
You and then 9 times 3, so you will fold the third finger. 2 and 7. That's 27. You get it?
Yes,
You
Daddy.
show me. You show me. Okay, you do like this to your hand. Okay, 9 times 1. You fold the first finger on your left. The small finger, there you go. You fold the small finger, there you go. So you count how many fingers are standing?
4.
No, the total. You have 9 fingers. No, both fingers bigger like this, so you count all the fingers standing. How many? You fold the first finger, the pinky. You fold the pinky finger. So you have 9 fingers standing. You have 4 and then 5 because there's no separation yet. And then next, 9 times 2, you fold the second finger. Okay, so you have 1 standing there on the left side. And then there's the one that you folded. So you count the remaining. That's 8. So 1 and 8, that's 18. And then 9 times 3, you fold the third finger. You count, there's 2 standing there. And then 7, that's 27. Did you get it, baby, or no?
Yes, Daddy.
9 times 4, you fold the fourth finger. There's 3 standing here, divided, and then there's 6. So that's 36. And then, if you say 9 times 5, you fold the fifth finger here. 4. There's 4 left, and then there's 5. That's 45. Did you get it? 9 times 6, that's 54. And 9 times 7, that's 63. So all you have to do is just count your fingers. That is only good for 9. It is only good for 9 bigger. Okay, o sige na. Tired na si baby ko. Oh, let's proceed na to the next. Okay, so where are we? Tag ka na. You need to charge. Oh, you didn't charge your no. Alright. So, wala pa si Bigger. Well, her battery get low bat. She's low battery. Bigger. Yeah, she had a low battery, so. Alright, we'll just wait for her. Okay, so I'll just play some music before she comes back. I play one of my original songs about Master Worm.
Yeah, Master One, come and do with that positive vibe. Good energy, that's what we bring. Good energy, that's what I bring. Yeah. Master Worm got that positive string. La la la. When life gets rough, just sing along. Sing it. Together we make each other strong. Every morning I wake up and choose to shine bright, spreading good vibes left and right, making everything alright. See somebody down, I lift them up with a smile. Been through struggles myself, so I know what it's worthwhile. Keeping it real with the people, share what I know, plant the seeds of happiness, watch how they grow. In this world full of stress, I choose to be free, and the energy I give is what comes back to me. Good energy, that's what I bring. Yeah, I still got that vibe. When life gets rough, just sing along. Sing it.
Alright. You're back.
Ready.
You're gonna sleep. Did you hear my new song?
Sharing love with my people, earning their respect. Not about the fame or fortune, just spreading good feels. When I see you rising up, that's when my heart heals. Every day's a blessing, that's what I always say. Keep your head up high and we'll find our way. Life's too short for drama, too brief to pretend. So I keep it real positive from beginning to end. We rise above the negativity. We shine, creating connectivity.
I don't know where to find it. Where is it? Wait. I'm looking for the... Where did it go? Here we go. Alright, we're back. Alright, Bigger, here's the answer now. So I already answered it for you because it's 9 times 4 because there's 9 meters. So 9 times 4, how much? I already showed you the math. This is 9. I hope you 9, and then you bend the 4th finger. So there's 4 on the left. Bigger here now. Be, are you listening?
Yes, Daddy.
Because the question here is a rhombus has each side measuring 9 meters. So it means that there's 4 sides for a rhombus. So 9 times 4. Okay, so you have 9. So by the multiple of 9, we can use this magic. Okay, the trick. So when you this is your fingers. Let me give you the full. I want to show you the full video of me here. Okay, no, I don't want a square here. So bigger this one now. This is what I mean a while ago. So if this is your finger, this is only good for nines, okay? Multiple of 9, 9 times 1, 9 times 2, okay? So this is your fingers. So if I say 9 times 1, you will fold the first one. You will fold the first one. So if you count them, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 for 9 times 1. If you say 9 times 2, you will fold the second finger here. So you see, this is the division here, okay? So this is 1 here, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the right side, there's 8, and then on the left side, because this is your basis, the one that you fold, that's the one that you make. This is 1 and 8, that's 18. And then if you say 9 times 3, you will fold the third finger. So 9 times 3, that's 2 here, and 7, that's 27. And then 9 times 4, you will fold the fourth finger. There's 3 here, and then this is the one that divides 3, and then 6, which means it's 36. If you say 9 times 5, you will fold the fifth finger. That's 4 and 5. That's 45. You get it?
Yes,
And then you
Daddy.
say 9 times 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sixth finger. You will fold the 6. So that's 5 and 4, which means that's 54. When you say 9 times 8, 9 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you will fold the seventh finger. That's 6 and 3. That's 63. And then 9 times 8, that's 72. Because there's 5 here plus 2, 7, and then 2, 72. And then 9 times 9, you will fold the ninth finger. So you have 8 here on the left side and 1 here. That's 81. You get it, baby? And then the last is 9 times 10. That's 90. Okay? I just want to show you that so that if you encounter nines, it's easy for you to solve it. Okay? Here we go. Let's go back. We'll finish this one. So the answer here is 9 meters. You make sure, bigger, it's meters, because the unit there is m. The rest is centimeters. Okay? Make sure you answer m
Okay,
there.
Daddy.
And here is also m here. The one on top. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so next problem solving. 5 points each. Anna wants to put a ribbon around a rectangular picture frame. Length is 12 inches and the width is 8 inches. How many inches of ribbon does she need? Ayun, bigger. Did you get the question?
Yes, Daddy.
If you don't understand, you will have hard time. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. So this is the ribbon of Anna. It says this is the size of the ribbon of Anna. Okay. So from left to right of that ribbon, it says 12 inches. Bigger? Are you
Yes,
listening? Okay, it says 12 inches on the length is 12 inches. From left to right, that is 12 inches. And then it says also there that the width, which is from up to down, is 8 inches. So this is how the area looks like of because you will be cutting a ribbon. So it will look like this, baby. It will look like this. From left to right, that is 12 inches. And from up to down, that is 8 inches. Okay? Did you get it? Did you see that?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. So, the question is, if you are going to cover the whole rectangle, how many inches do you need to buy for a ribbon? What's the length of the ribbon that you need to put? So in order to solve that, you have to add, okay? From 12 inches from left to right, that's 12 inches plus 8 inches up to down. 12 plus 8, how much, baby? 12 plus 8?
20.
Yeah, very good. Alright, so since this is a rectangle, it means that they have the same length from the lower right to the lower left, or it's the same size with the upper length. So which means it's also 12 inches, right?
Yes, Daddy.
It's the same. And from up to down on the left side, it's the same, also 8 inches, because it's a rectangle. Rectangle has two the same sizes. Okay, here. So it means that you have to add the same number. Yes. So 8 plus 12 and plus 12 plus 8, the same, because they have the same size. Okay, so you said 12 plus 8 is 20?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. And then the same, because it's the same, 12 plus 8 is 20. It means that 20 plus 20 equals?
40.
Very good. Because it's the same, it's a rectangle. Okay? But if it's a square, bigger, what happens if it's a square? What do you think happens if it's a square? I want to ask you. I want to know. I want to ask you if you know, if you understand. We are talking about a rectangle right now. Okay, so I'll give you. You already answered that question. 20 plus 20, that's 40. So the answer there is 40. But here, I want to ask you, just to let this, just to make sure if you understand. The square has 8. Okay, just want to make sure that you understand. So this 8, sorry. Oh, bigger. It's okay. All right, so it's okay. So the answer here is I don't wanna spend more time because you're sleepy, and Daddy needs to sleep also. Oh my God. Here. I just need to erase this. Oh. Okay, here. So the answer here to the first question is 40. Okay. Bigger. 12 plus 8 and 12 plus 8, that's 40 inches. And then you have to make sure bigger. Are you still there?
Yes, Daddy.
You want to make sure that you will use the right unit. When you say unit, you see there the number 1 of the part D is they use inches. Okay, at the top they use centimeters and meters, so they have this different answer. Okay, next, a playground is shaped like a square. Ayun, nabigyan square na kita, square. So measuring 15 meters. So it means if it's a square, what happens if it's a square, Bibi? It has the same, bless you, it has the same sides if it's a square. So it means like this is a square. Okay? So it says here 15 centimeters each. So if you have a square, it means that you have 15, 15, 15. You get it, baby?
Yes, Daddy.
So 15 times 4, how much? You get it, baby. Don't just say yes or no. If you don't understand, you say no, huh? You don't pretend to daddy, huh? Because I don't want you to be afraid to say no. If you don't understand, you tell me, huh?
Thank you, Daddy.
Because I don't want to finish this and then you don't understand. I want you to understand. That's the why I'm spending time teaching you. Oh, here we go. If this is a square, it says here, each side measuring 15 meters. So this is from left to right, that's 15 meters. From up to down, that's 15 meters. So it is a square, everything is 15 meters. So it means you have to multiply 15 by 4. So when you say multiply 15 by 4, do you know how to multiply already, right? Or no? When you say multiply 15 by 4, this is what it looks like. This is how it looks like when you multiply, baby. Remember that. I don't know if you remember that, but that is how it looks like when you multiply. Oh, here we go. 15 times 4. Oh. Ay, yeah, my laptop is not. Here, baby, oh, this is the 15 times 4. Oh. Here, oh. You see that one? 15 times 4. What's the answer? That's the answer to 15 times 4. If you don't know how to answer that yet, this is how 15 times 4 looks like, baby. Oh. It's 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Bigger. 15 times 4 is also the same as 15 plus 15 plus 15. You remember or you forgot?
Forgot.
Okay. So this is the same. When you say here, they are the same. When you say 15 times 4 is also the same as 15 plus 15 plus 15, which means that you will be adding 15 4 times. That's why it's called add a plus. Or multiplication is shortcut. Okay, this is the same mo muna. So, Navigero. They're the same na sila, pero Navigero, look at this, bala. They're the same. Okay? So, 15 times 4 is the same as 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. So, which one is easier for you? Be? Because we are dealing with square, meaning square is very easy because all you have to do is immediately you have to multiply by 4. So here we'll do the multiplication. 5 times 4, how much, baby? 5 times 4. Hindi pat na si baby ko, ah. You forgot? 5 times 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20. Very good. Ayan, thank you for answering, baby. So all you have to do for 20 is you put here 0. Remember the carryover? You remember that?
Yeah.
So it means that you have to add here 2 at the top. There. Okay? So 5 times 4 is 20, so you have here 0. You have 0 here at the bottom, and then you carry over the 2 here on the top. So 4 times 1, how much? 4 times 1?
1.
No. 4 times 1. Baby. 4 times 1. Anything you
4.
multiply by 1 is the same number, 4. Okay, that's 4. And then 4 plus the number 2 that you added here from the 20. 4 plus 2, how much?
8.
No, 4 plus 2. Not times, plus 2.
6.
No, very good. Okay, so 6. Here we go. So you see this one? The answer is
60.
okay. Again, 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4, so you put the 0 here. You carry over 2 here on top. And then you multiply 4 times 1, that's 4. And then you add this 4 plus 2, that's 6. So the answer here is 6. So the answer here is 60. 60. And this is the same as adding. So it means here, 15 times 4, you will be adding 15 4 times. Because this is the multiplication sign. So in order to make you sure to do the addition, 15 plus 15, how much? No, here we go. This is what we're gonna do. 5 plus 5
10.
plus 5
1. That 15.
okay, plus 5
20.
okay, 20. So you put the 0 here again, the same. And then you carry over the 2 on top. Oh my god. It's the same as multiplication also. But all you have to do is just copy the here. You put it here and then you count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you add a 2. That means it's still 60. Abigail, do you get it?
Yes.
5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So 0, I'll carry over 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. So they're the same. 15 times 4. 5 times 4, 20. Carry over 2. 4 times 1 plus 6. Plus 2 is 6. So that's the answer there. Okay? Abigail, do you get my, do you understand?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, I hope. And then you also have, if the cost of the fence playground is 150 per meter, how much will it cost to fence the whole playground? Ara na bigger, oh. Ara na siya bigger. You're using math already. Okay? So it says here, baby, that if 1 meter is 150 pesos. With line be bigger, it's gonna be hard. Okay? Bigger. Okay. So it says here, I don't know, if the cost of the fence, if the cost to fence the playground is 150 per meter, how much will it cost to fence the whole playground? I hope you will understand this, huh? Okay, so a while ago we said that 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 60. Bigger. Listen, because this is hard. If you don't understand this is gonna be hard. Okay, so the total here is 60. That is the total area. What you call that? Perimeter. Here, bigger. The total perimeter for the whole thing is 60, and it says here, and this is 60 centimeters. Are you listening, Vigor?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. I hope you understand that this. Okay, here it says here. A playground. If the cost to fence the playground is 150 pesos per meter, how much will it cost to fence the whole playground? So the answer here is already 60 because you have to solve it. 60. 6 meters. Okay, 6 meters. And then it says here 150 per meter. So all you have to do is just multiply bigger. 150 pesos times 60. So muna siya bigger, magsabat ka. Mag-answer. Bigger. I know it's kind of hard to understand, but I hope you understand, huh? Oh, not bigger. Oh. So this is the pesos here. So it says here 150 pesos, 150. This is the peso sign per 60 meters. So that is how to solve it. So how much is the answer? Big girl. So all you have to do is multiply. Na naman. Bigger. You don't like math? You hate math? You hate math?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can't do anything about it. Because this is your homework, that is also, it's already 2 o'clock in the morning here. Okay? So we'll finish this because we have Filipino pa B, ba? So rigid B. Mommy is watching also. You know mommy is watching. So here na bigger. Let's do the math now. 0 times 0, how much?
0.
Okay, very good. That's 0. Let me answer it here on the other side. Let me answer it on the other side here. Okay. So is 0, right? Okay. And then 5 times 6, how much? Sige, bebe. 5 times 6. Be?
15.
No. 15 is 5 times 3. Okay, here ano yan? Sa first line, because 0, 0, 0. So that's gonna be 0. Tananda, si tatlo ka 0 na ha, sa batya. So we're gonna be proceed. Do you know how to multiply? Bigger numbers. So you have to do this first. This one, 0, the 0 here. This 0. And then you multiply 0, 0, 0. Multiply by 5, multiply by 1, that's 0, 0, 0. So we're going to proceed here with the 6. 6 times 0, that's also 0. I figure I don't like teaching this, but I have to. Bigger?
Yes, Daddy.
I don't like teaching you this, but I don't have a choice. Okay, so now we're gonna be answering this. So here, bigger. 6 times 0, how much? 0. 6 times 5 is 30. So you add another 0 here. And then carry over 3 on top. Do you get this or no? No, you know. Do you remember this or no? No? Rao, Rao.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, Bigger, but I have to really explain this to you. Here, Rao. 5 times 6 is 30. So you put the 0 here. Ay, nako, Bigger. Are you okay?
Yes, then it.
Dali lang, B. Bigger? Okay, now, Rina. Rina. Okay, so 5 times 6, that's 0. And then you add that, you carry over the 3. Okay, so 6 times 1, how much? 6 times 1? 6. Plus 3, how much? 6 plus 3, how much? 6 plus 3, how much? 9. Okay, so you put the 9 here. Okay. Okay, here we go. So that's the answer here. So 9, and then you also do the copy this the numbers. Bigger.
Hmm.
So 9. Yan lang, ha. Budlay mo, baby. It's gonna be hard. Because I'm too slow. So if you copy this is 9 and then 0, 0, 0. That there's gonna be 3 zeros according to the line. You see the line? This is one line here. This is one line here. This is one line here. And one line here. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, Daddy.
They belong to one line. So it means it's gonna be a 4-digit number. So the answer is how much?
Hmm.
Ano answer?
9,000.
Okay, the answer is 9,000. Do you think you can answer the same when teacher asks you? Hindi, no? No? Okay. Okay, the answer is 9,000 pesos. Okay. Pesos. Do you need to bigger to show, do you need to show the solution or no?
Hmm.
When you answer, do you still need to show teacher how you did it?
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know if you can still remember. So we're done already. We'll have to move na to to Filipino. Bigger, we need to move to Filipino. You you're so sleepy. Are you sleepy? Is my baby sleepy? Be? I don't have a choice. I have to teach you. Okay. Let me just answer this one for you. think we're done already. Anyway, I'll just save this I'll send it to you. I love you. Sleepy na. Okay, let me just send you the answer. Okay, so we're gonna be proceeding to the Filipino na. Okay, let me just send you the answer. Okay, so let's proceed to Filipino. I hope you will be able to bigger. Stop sharing. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing na. Okay, I'll proceed back to the. You're sleeping na. Maybe sleeping na. Be. Wait, I have to end this because you're no longer listening na because you're sleepy. I know you're sleepy na, baby. Whose dog is it? Whose dog is it, B? Be? Sleep na akong baby. Bigger. Bigger, where are you? Bigger. Uy. Edit ha? B? Are we gonna end now? Bigger. Tulog ka na. Are you sleeping or no? Alright, so you're gonna be discussing about English. You have English po, instructions. Be. Bibi. OJ. B. Alright. So I guess this is the end of our live because OJ figure already fell asleep. Hey. Okay, so I guess this is gonna be the end. We have to end because my student is asleep. So this is now. This is it. Thank you, and for now, this is our lecture part 1. Thank you so much for joining us, and God is great. Yahoo!